Here comes the garbage truck. I want to unload the trash. Prepare.
Whoa.
Okay.
Here. Thank you. It's a playtime! Yay!
Hi, Hafiz.
Hi, Mommy. I got some many vehicles. Fire truck, garbage truck, forklift, dump truck, excavator, and flat loader.
Wow! Kind of tiny vehicle.
Yeah, big and small.
Yay!
Big, small.
Yeah, it's
Playtime. Yay!
come on, let's do it.
Okay, put it in there. Put
Okay.
it. It's okay. It's okay, Mommy. It's okay.
Oh, so many dirt in here.
Yeah. I need the dump truck.
Okay, we need the dump truck.
Yeah. Fish.
Don't you need a truck loader to load it?
It's not working.
Yes.
Look. It's full now.
Yay.
Let's go. I need the excavator right now. Doo. We got two.
You got two?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Stuck.
Stop.
Stuck. Okay. Uh-oh. Stuck.
Stuck.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
No. Done.
Okay, one last. Oh, it's so full. Okay.
Done.
Where do you want to go with that trash?
I'm going in here.
Oh, you're going to dump it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to start something. What's y'all doing?
Oh.
Volunteer to the rescue. Bye. Yay, I got it.
You're going to dump it on the garbage truck?
Nope. Done. No. The missing one.
Here comes the garbage truck. I want to unload the trash. Prepare.
Whoa.
Okay.
Here. Thank you. I make the road, Mommy.
Yeah,
Can
you gotta.
load it again?
Yeah, I wanna load it. Where's the loader? Please load the trash.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to.
Subscribe for more channels. This video.
Oh yeah. Bye.